Open the audio in Audacity. Now press Ctrl A to select your entire audio clip. Then go to Effect. Here, hover over on Delay and Reverb, and here select Echo. And now, for voice or YouTube video, enter here delay time 0.25 to 0.35 second, and decay factor will be 0.3 to 0.4. This is natural echo, not distracting. Then just click on Apply. And for music and singing audio, delay time enter 0.4 to 0.6 second, and decay factor 0.4 to 0.6. Now let's hear our audio. Hello, this is a sample audio clip.